Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Welcome back to Fall in July. Today is day 5 of my week-long series of all things related to home decor for the fall season. So be sure to follow me over on Instagram for more chances to win the giveaway at the end of the week. Now let's get right into day number 5. Today we're headed into one of my favorite places for inspiration, Hobby Lobby. And I can tell you firsthand that fall colors are hitting the shelves in every corner of this store, from the floral department to the seasonal department, where you can find any color pumpkin you can even ever imagine. From traditional orange to some black and white gingham and everything in between, including purple and blue. If you need some pumpkins, you might want to check out Hobby Lobby. We will definitely have to come back and check out more, but for today's video, I want to take a look at all the Farmhouse fall decor and some of their signs on their sign aisle. This year, they've brought back the ticking stripe pumpkins in orange, green, and gray for $7.99. In their fall Farmhouse decor, they have a lot of metal. These troughs start off at $19.99, and so do these milk jugs. But I'm in the mood for some black and white buffalo check, and they do have quite a bit of it here today. I am loving this fall standing pumpkin sign for $29.99, and the scarecrows that coordinate with this collection for $24.99. They definitely have a lot of metal pumpkins. These are $19.99, and lots of the buffalo plaid fabric pumpkins from $9.99 up to $11.99, just depending on their size. And something new that I spotted this year are these large ceramic pumpkins with some buffalo plaid stripes for $27.99. They also have this pumpkin in the gray and white plaid. Down here they've got lots of black and white plaid pumpkins in little bundles for $9.99, and some plates. These are ceramic and they're also $9.99. Up here they have a few signs that are really cute. Be thankful, gather around, and fall sweet fall in wooden frames for $5.99. This week all of their fall decor is 40% off. But when it's not on sale, remember you can always use your coupon. And that would make this large fall marquee just $29.99, and it's regularly $34.99. Down here they have a Lazy Susan with Come Gather at the Table on it for $19.99. That's a fun new item. You could always paint over the top if you wanted one for year-round. They also have some really cute salt and pepper shakers. This set in white for $7.99, and for $17.99 some buffalo plaid throw rugs. In with this collection they have some beads in black and white and orange and white, some little maple leaf banners, and some signs. I thought this one was really sweet, thankful and blessed, and could be duped with some things from the Dollar Tree and some table runners. And it's nice to see all the buffalo plaid in a few different color options like gray and beige. For $9.99 they have a plaid and burlap rag garland, and then I found this little hanging banner in a ton of color options. They have it in the green, the black, the orange, and in gray. For $9.99 they also have the sets of napkins in buffalo plaid, and something I'm really excited about, pillow covers in sets of 2 for $9.99. Thank you, Hobby Lobby. I love switching out my pillows, but I don't have room, so covers are great. I'm loving the size of that mug for $9.99, and this large fall sign for $29.99. A few of their smaller signs with the buffalo plaid around the outside for $5.99 in a few different words, blessed and gather. I'm also loving these pumpkins with a pumpkin pie recipe on it. They are heavy duty ceramic for $29.99. Down below they have some adorable truck salt and pepper shakers for $5.99 in the teal and red. And I thought these little signs were interesting. At first glance, they're just a pumpkin outline, but the backside reveals they are actually half of a pumpkin for $9.99. Lots of text, pumpkins along the bottom. Now let's head down the sign aisle, one of my favorite places in Hobby Lobby. Back again are the large harvest standing signs, and this one, Gather Here with Grateful Hearts, is a whopping $59.99. Now a price I like a little bit better on this little sign for $13.99. This one's definitely new this year. They also have tons of small signs, perfect for adding to any kind of DIY wreaths you're making, for $3.99. And a price I am pleasantly surprised by on these signs. It comes in both orange and green, and these are just $11.99. They're around a medium size sign, probably a 16-inch square or so. Really good price on those. And another really good price, in my opinion, for these large signs. These are just $19.99. Now, if I had to complain about one thing, it would be that the orange and green aren't a little muted. But other than that, I love them. I think they'll be very popular this year, as well as these galvanized signs for $11.99. Two signs I remember from last year for $19.99 are these long horizontal signs in Blessed and Welcome. This was my theme last year. I loved all the green, but this year I am crushing on all the orange. Down below they have the very large Thankful sign, also for $59.99. And two of my favorite signs in their fall collection, I own the one in orange, are these pumpkins for $19.99. Down below they have some adorable fence post scarecrows, and what do you guess, a few more signs. This one for $15.99 reminds me of a Dollar Tree DIY I'll link above for you guys that I did last fall. They've also got this one for $17.99 in orange. And if you were wondering, the fence post scarecrows are $29.99. They remind me of another Dollar Tree DIY I did last year that I will link above and in the description as well. Now on to some more signs and some garden stakes. Some really cute tractors in metal, in green and red for $21.99. Those could double for Christmas. And this one that we know Dollar Tree will be putting out soon for $13.99. They have a smaller version. I always love this little trio of scarecrows and some more farmhouse style signs. These are $9.99 and come in 3 different versions. They also have some smaller wooden pumpkins for $2.99 in 4 different versions. And a large planked wood pumpkin for $11.99 with Hello Fall on it. They also have it in a more neutral version with Gather on it. And one of my favorites here at Hobby Lobby for $6.99, their black welcome sign. They have tons of garden stakes this year, including these little scarecrows and some more signs. This little hanging acorn for $7.99 and these larger pumpkins that are only $13.99 in the cream and orange. These are fun little scarecrows with a hanger on them for $13.99. They even have an owl. And the blue truck is back this year for $15.99. They also have an even larger truck garden stake. This one is $34.99, and this one's almost gray. More garden stakes down below, some we've seen in years past and a few new ones. This stacked pumpkin garden stake is $24.99. I really like the green in this one. And over here to the right is the largest pumpkin stake I think I've ever seen. It is huge for $39.99. If you put that out front, people would definitely be able to find your house. They do have a smaller version for $19.99 and a few tractor hanging signs. These come in a few different sayings along the bottom in a galvanized metal. Over here they have a few smaller signs. Hello Pumpkin. Those are just $4.99. And some more garden stakes. This one comes in 2 color versions for $15.99. Now their plates, they definitely wowed me last year and they are back. These are $9.99 a piece. They do have a larger serving platter, give thanks with a grateful heart, and this adorable little truck plate. This is also $9.99. Over here they have some wooden dough bowls. The smaller one starts at $19.99, and a ton of galvanized looking pumpkins. Down below they have 3 enamel signs. These are a $19.99 item, and it comes in Gather with a black trim, in Thankful with red, and Blessed with a blue trim. And up above in wood, they have a Thankful standing sign for $24.99. Also in white for $5.99, they have this small sign with a kickstand, and up above some really cute tin pedestals for $7.99. Along the bottom, they have what I would consider to be a medium-sized wheelbarrow for $19.99. Also for $19.99, they have this Welcome to Our Patch pumpkin and the smaller one for $17.99. Now we'll look at a few small items for your tiered trays. These pumpkins are $3.99, and these adorable coffee-themed signs for $3.99. It comes in both pumpkin spice everything and morning pumpkin. Down along the bottom they have a few colorful planked pumpkins for $13.99. And I found the fall pumpkin standing sign in orange as well. Here are some more small tiered tray signs. This one is $2.99, and then they have these in 3 colors, orange, burgundy, and green for $3.99. I remember the Simply Grateful sign from last year, but this year these 2 are new for $6.99. Down below, some standing text signs in galvanized metal, and a few standing picture frames. I love this one for $5.99. And this adorable little pumpkin everything sign, also $5.99. Now this is too big for a tiered tray, but it is beautiful for $6.99. And a few more small pumpkins. These in the buffalo check for $2.99. I found it in gray and orange, and a little more burgundy over here in Bless This Home. I hope you all got a little fall inspiration here today. I know I sure did. Comment down below and give a guess. What do you think inspired me today for our video tomorrow?